Verse of the day, Proverbs 10 verse 2. Wealth that you get by dishonesty will do you no good, but honesty can save your life. Hey beautiful, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Moba and I'm here to chit chat with you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. As you can see from the title of this video, we're going to be doing cornrows. So this is the hairstyle that I did on myself today. I really love the results. I am so proud of myself because cornrows, you guys, I always say this, but it's the truth. It's one of the most difficult things to actually do on your own. So I love the way this turned out. So if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, continue watching this video, and if you enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a beautiful comment down below, share this video, come back for more videos, turn on that notification bell so you know every single time I upload a video, and make sure to click that subscribe button down below. Yes, the big red button. Click it now. Because why not? So I have my fiber over here and I split it into 6 sections because I just want to have 6 cornrows in my head. I'm gonna get started now. This is very challenging, I must say, and it's getting hot in here. It's really getting hot. Beads, so I'm going to do this on each braid. This is the easiest way to put to put beads on your hair. Get a bobby pin, put it through the, put the braid in between, and then grab your bead and then put this end like that and then pull. So do the same thing for the brown one, put it in and then pull. If you don't have a crochet needle, you can actually always use bobby pins. Now I'm just gonna cut the ends and burn them. So this is how I burn my ends. I'm gonna show you in a bit. It's smooth, it's tight, and this bead can't go through. So take your pair of scissors, position your beads at your desired length, and then cut the rest of the fiber. That. And then burn the ends with the candle. Just tighten it together. You need to be careful because this burns. It's basically melted plastic. So you have to be super, super careful. Okay. And then you take your pair of scissors and you just press down. You see? So then I'm gonna burn it again. And then take my scissors, press down. I use the scissors because it's metallic, so it's not gonna melt. You see? So this is what the ends are looking like. Now I'm going to work on my edges. Vanilla scented candles. They smell so nice. To do my edges, I'm going to be using Isoplus and finishing off with the gel hex. Then I'm just gonna add some firm hold mousse. I will see you once everything is set. This is the final look, you guys. I am in love. In love. I am so proud of myself. I really did my best. I really, really love the results. So if you love them too, comment down below what you think about this hairstyle and rate it from a scale of 1 to 10. I am going to rate this an 11 because first of all, the effort. Secondly, it looks cute. So yeah, it's an 11 for me. What is it for you? Comment down below. So I managed to achieve this hairstyle with just one packet of Darling. I'm actually quite impressed that I was able to achieve this hairstyle with just one packet of fiber, you guys. One. All I needed for this hairstyle was 11 rand, and maybe for additional accessories which you can get for like 10 rand a packet. So your budget is literally 20 rand. Can you imagine? You don't need to spend money, you guys. I'm just out here telling you guys that you can still look cute on a budget. If you don't believe me now, when will you believe me? When? Because I've shown you guys. I have shown you guys hairstyles that you can achieve on a budget. And they're quite easy and simple. Okay, let me not lie. Corners are tricky and all that stuff, but if you need some help, I'm here for you. Just contact me. I'm only a DM away, okay? And if you watch this video till the end, you're a real one. Thank you so much. Come back for more videos and make sure to give this video a thumbs up because I know you enjoyed it. I know for a fact you enjoyed it. If you didn't, then oh well, maybe next time. But thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to do so at mcm_muya and come back for more videos. Okay, bye. For real this time.